Hey, I'm Mindy Kniss. This is The Daily Rage. A huge welcome to new subscribers. It is awesome to have you here. Talk about perfect technical analysis. This is the Russell Futures, and take a look at this. So, Friday, we had this massive drop down, and check out where we ended. Nearly exactly at this point of support from back in here on February 3rd. Then today, down again, certainly not as massive as Friday's, but once again, we found support from here. Now, this is like just basic, easy technical analysis, and it's working out perfectly as we kind of stair step our way down. So let's take a look at where we might go next, since this is not looking that great. Okay, so if we're here, this is our next destination, 2105, which sounds really, really low, but I guess that's where we're at right now. I know some of you haven't been able to make it to my last few webinars, so you've been asking, well, when's the next one? Next one was just scheduled. That'll be tomorrow, Tuesday, February 25th at 4 p.m. Pacific, 7 p.m. Eastern time zone. If any of these descriptors are true for you, I definitely hope you will join us. The link is down below if you'd like to check it out. I'm Mindy Kniss. Thanks so much for watching.